Hello again, friends. It is Luis here coming at you with another video. And today we're going to be working on the Subaru. And what we're going to be doing today is we're going to go ahead and do a chrome delete all around here with this chrome delete kit that I got from Etsy. And it's a matte black finish. So I've been wanting to do this for quite some time, and it is now really nice out and it's not snowing or it's not cold, so we can actually get to work and get this thing done. I'm excited to see what it looks like, and I hope that you stick around to see the end result. Thanks for watching. Alright, first things first, guys, we're gonna go ahead and clean around here. Make sure no dust or debris is on. That way it adheres to. Right now it's pretty dirty. It's been raining as of late, and it's supposed to rain tonight, later today. So I wanted to go ahead and try to get this thing done before it starts raining on us again. So here is the kit. Again, like I said, I did get this kit off of Etsy, and it is for a 2020 through 2022 Subaru Outback. And I love it because it has all the cutouts that you need for the car. And I actually thought, come on over here, I actually thought I was gonna have to wrap these pieces individually, as you can see there, but it actually looks like the kit comes with them, which is amazing. So now I don't have to do that, which is great. Also, after I'm done with this, I'm gonna go ahead and wrap the mirror cap as well in a matte black that I got from Amazon for like 10 bucks a roll. It's pretty sweet. It's a pretty sweet deal. So I'm gonna go ahead and clean the rest of this so we can get started. Alrighty, so I'm gonna go ahead and start with the passenger side. Go ahead and get around the mirror cap there. We're gonna go ahead and start there and then make our way back, and then back this way again. So let's get it. Alrighty, got the first one done. Looks pretty good. Nice. Alrighty. Well, we got that done. Let's go ahead and work on this and that. Alright guys, so it's actually the next day. I wasn't able to get to the rest of the car yesterday because my wife had a bounce. So today we're going to go ahead and finish the rest of the trim around there, and then we also got to do the other side. So let's get back to it. Alright guys, we finally got one side done. It's looking pretty cool. Let's dig in from the back here. And I dig it. What do you guys think? Let's do the other side. What's up guys? So it is now day 3 of trying to wrap this car. Not day 1, not day 2, day 3. Why day 3? The weather. Wife's gotta leave. So I haven't been able to finish the job in one day. But today we're working on the driver's side. As you can see, we already did the other side. I'm gonna take you around so you can peep the scene. And it's a beautiful day out too, so that is always a bonus. So check it out. It's all blacked out. Looks really awesome. Enjoying the matte finish. Looks great with the rest of the car. So we're gonna go ahead and finish this bad boy today and be done. Stay tuned. Alright guys, so I finally got done installing the Chrome Delete kit, and it turned out pretty good. I think it looks pretty rad. Just take a step back. Let me know what you think in the comments below. The next thing I'd like to do is I'm gonna go ahead and wrap these silver mirror caps. I'm gonna wrap them in matte black as well to match the rest of it. And I'm still trying to figure out what to do with the bars up there. We'll see. But anyways, thanks guys for sticking in there with me. I know it was kind of a longer video of me just installing the kit, but hopefully you liked it. I'll leave a link below in the description for the kit that I got off of Amazon. So it was about 50 bucks, I believe. But anyway, I think it turned out really great. So thanks again for watching, guys. We'll see ya.